Good afternoon, everyone. So today we're gonna be going to the beach. I got Felix over here to show him. Felix, come here. Say hi to the camera. We're gonna be going to the beach, sort of up north in Okinawa. And yeah, we're gonna bring the dogs with us, and we're gonna be going with some friends of ours, friends with Olivia. And yeah, we're gonna hit the beach. They're gonna bring their dogs, and I'm pretty excited. I do got a new camera. This is the GoPro Hero 8. I'm not really sure how to use it the best, but we're gonna see how it works. And I'm excited to go travel around. We're gonna do some sightseeing and just check out some cool spots over there at the beach. So we'll see you there. So as you can tell, Felix over here, see him, is really excited. Let her know how excited you are, bud. Buddy. He's been crying, like literally crying, since we started driving. I'm with Olivia. Hey, buddy. How's it going?
You wanna go to the beach?
Wanna go to the beach? Wanna go to the beach, bud? He's heavily panting. Oh, here comes his little whimpers.
Oh.
This is him. It's usually a lot louder, actually. It's gonna be okay, bud. Alright, see you guys there. Oh, good boy.
I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. I'm tired of waiting, waiting. So let's be crazy, crazy.
Hey, Charlie.
I'm tired of waiting, 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 waiting,
Give you a little view. GoPro might be a little wet, so I'm not sure how the quality's gonna come out. There's a little setup. I have the dogs on the leash now because some fishermen came out. I didn't want him to go and bother the fishermen. But it's literally, the tide's so low, so you can literally just walk the way out here. It's been off and on raining. We just had a typhoon hit. A super typhoon sort of went right past us. So it got a little rainy today. That's honestly why I'm wet. I didn't even get in the water. But I wanted to show everyone this cool area out here. Biggest thing you have to watch for is sea urchins out here. And you got the freaking sea cucumbers. And then actually jellyfish. My wife Olivia actually got stung by a jellyfish out on this beach probably 3 weeks ago now, and she's still scarring from it. So yeah, you have to be careful. But oh yeah, this is a beautiful beach. The water's completely see-through. My dog's crying. He wants me to come back. But yeah. My goal for this channel is to do little travel vlogs, show everyone what this place offers, you know, and not just here in Okinawa. Hopefully more places, just like, you know, Bali, which we've been to and hopefully can go to again. We want to go to Phuket, Thailand. There's plenty of places. When we go to Australia, New Zealand, we have tons of things that we want to travel to that we have booked. But right now with COVID, it's really hard to do a lot of things. So I figured I might as well show you the island I live on now. So it's just a little getaway, you know, a little spot we found. Not gonna say exactly where it is here in Okinawa, but it's definitely pretty vacant. Got my little man over here. Felix, come here. See out of the camera. He's loving it. My wife over there. We're gonna be heading out here soon. But definitely a gorgeous day. The rain stopped. We got grill over here, so we've been grilling up some patties. Obviously, you bring music, you bring drinks. Please sponsor me. But yeah, so it's an awesome little spot. And honestly, I didn't see any sea urchins or the cucumbers or anything really that bad in the water. He did perfectly fine in the water. So yeah, just a perfect little spot to hang out. And I do want to do more travel videos and some new locations here in Okinawa. And definitely get these videos out, but it is difficult with COVID, so we'll see what we can do. But yeah, I hope you like this little area we got. And definitely a little setup we got going on over here.